In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Sheets. To get started, open Notion in your browser and go to the Getting Started page inside your workspace. From the left sidebar, click your workspace name to open the workspace menu. This is where Notion keeps the admin and account level options, including integrations and app connections. Next, select Settings. When the Settings panel opens, look for the section called Connections. Connections are how Notion links to third-party tools, so this is the right place to be when you want Notion and Google Sheets to work together. Inside Connections, click the option to browse connections in the gallery. This takes you to Notion's Integrations directory, where you can search for add-ons that sync data, automate tasks, or connect external apps. Give the page a moment to load fully so the search bar is responsive. In the search field, type the keyword shown in the guide. As you type, results will filter in real time. Find and click the integration called Sync to Sheets. This is the tool used in this walkthrough to connect Notion databases with Google Sheets. After you open the Sync to Sheets integration page, click Learn More. This will send you to the integrations website, where the install process begins. On that page, select Install the add-on. At this point, you are moving into the Google Workspace Marketplace flow, which is where Google Sheets add-ons are installed and managed. You should now see the Google Workspace Marketplace listing for the add-on. Click the highlighted button shown on the listing page to continue with installation. Google may ask you to sign in and approve permissions. Read the permission prompts carefully so you understand what access you are granting. For a smooth setup, make sure you are signed into the same Google account you plan to use with Sheets. Once the add-on install is initiated from the marketplace, you have completed the connection path shown in this guide, starting from Notion, locating the integration, and launching the Google add-on installation flow. And that is all there is to it.